Hello parents. Are you wondering what to eat during pregnancy to make your baby intelligent? Then here are the 7 secret foods that are highly recommended for pregnant women. Number 1. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are integral to your baby's brain development. Pregnant women must eat salmon for giving birth to intelligent children. Aim to eat at least 2 or more servings of fish per week. Another option in seafood includes oysters, which are rich in iodine. Pregnant women with low iodine levels should note that their baby's intelligence can be affected negatively if healthy levels of the same aren't maintained. Number 2. Green leafy vegetables. From spinach and lentils to leafy greens, which are rich in folic acid. Eating green leafy vegetables and certain pulses is important as it helps keep your baby's brain protected from tissue damage. Folic acid in vegetables is also known for reducing the risk of neural tube defects, eliminating cleft lip and various heart defects in babies. You also reduce the risk of preeclampsia during pregnancy when you make sure to maintain your intake of foods or supplements rich in folic acid. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are antioxidant-rich foods which will aid your baby's cognitive development. Other alternatives for blueberries are strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, tomatoes, beans, and artichokes. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc. Zinc is a mineral that's known to promote proper brain structure and aid in the cognitive processing of information. They are high in nutrition and are a rich source of antioxidants too. Number 5. Beans. Iron is needed by the body for transporting oxygen to nerve cells in the baby's brain. Beans contain a good amount of iron, which is why pregnant mothers are recommended to up their intake of this food item in their diets. Other iron-rich foods worth adding to your diet are spinach, figs, chicken, and raisins. Eat raisins in moderate proportions to keep your sugar levels in check. Number 6. Milk. A lack of iron content in pregnant mothers' bodies leads to mental growth retardation and majorly affects the baby's overall cognitive development. Milk aids in developing healthy cognitive functions and supports brain development in babies before birth. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Protein-rich foods are necessary for forming healthy nerve cells in the mother's womb for the cognitive development of the baby. Probiotic foods like Greek yogurt are an amazing way to throw in a little calcium for your baby's bone development as well. Greek yogurt is also a rich source of iodine, which helps reduce or prevent the possibility of your baby being born with low birth weight. If you think this video is helpful for you, then like this and share with your lovely friends who love this, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.